Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here. Today we are going to do a Brinks keyed entry and deadbolt. It's got the easy to install mark down here. It also says it's keyed alike, has one cylinder, and then obviously the knobs. Don't forget, guys, we still have the multi-pick 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. All you have to do is leave a comment, like the video, and obviously be a subscriber. Then as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, the top 2 comments will be picked and awards given out for them. So, all right, let's get into this. I got this on eBay. I was trying to expand a little bit on knobs like this, and then obviously the deadbolts. But we are gonna see if we can't get into this. Let's see. It obviously shows you the obligatory picking, hammering for bump keys, drill attacks, and I guess any other attacks. I guess, I don't know what that is, sticking a screwdriver in there, or glue, or it looks like a prying attack. So I guess that's it. So apparently this meets the ANSI Grade 3 standard. All keyed locks contain pick and bump resistant pins, anti-pry shield, 4-way adjustable latch, and all that other stuff. So, and there's a full warranty here in case of any defects, material and workmanship, etc. So, why don't we get the box open first? Alright, so it looks like the latch is on cardboard here. Oh, that's clever. Alright, so we'll do the doorknob first. Well, we'll just do the doorknob in general. Might be a little difficult taking the pins out, but we'll make it work. We'll just pick it for starters. This is the last video of the year. Tomorrow starts January 1st. Alright, let's see. Okay. Bingo. That's what we're looking for. So at a later video, I'm gonna have a mock setup. I'm gonna have a little station with a bunch of deadbolts and doors from different companies, and I'm gonna show you how to set those up, pick them, bypass them, everything we can do to them. Right. For you guys out there picking deadbolts and things like that, picking a doorknob just feels different, so it's something to get used to if you haven't done that before. There's that. Nope, it's a KW1K. It's not the worst bidding I've ever seen, so that's good. Alright, let's give it the old college try, shall we? For this, the first thing we're going to try to do is rake it open. I'm going to use a Peterson, I forget what they call this, the quint rake here, but we'll just give it a shot. Bottom of the keyway. that's not gonna work. So we're gonna keep bottom of the keyway here. I'm still gonna try a raking attack. I'm gonna use the LegalLock tools one here. I feel like I need to angle it a little bit more. So I'm gonna hold off on putting pressure until I get it in to try to set the middle pins first. Alright, there we go. Alright, now I've got more pressure on it. Oh, I'm getting close. I gotta recock it because I hit the tension tool. You gotta keep constant pressure on it, especially at this angle. So we're gonna try to reload it again by raking. Flip it over. Start with the first pin, second, third. Alright, so the pick keeps hitting the phone. Not the phone, the camera. Okay. See how I got a little movement on that last one? That's what we're looking for. There we go. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Now, if the doorknob had been set up properly, we'd have this open in no time flat. So, as you can see, picking a doorknob feels a little different than picking a deadbolt, especially if you're not picking it against the wall or anything like that. But the LegalLock tools pick here, they saved me again. All I did was hit it with the rake, and then I was able to hit each pin individually. So if you like this video, guys, and you want to see more of my upcoming videos, it's important that you subscribe to the channel and you like the video, and definitely leave me a comment if you have any suggestions on locks that you'd like to see me pick, or locks that you have that you think might be good on this channel or otherwise. If you have any suggestions about this video or comments, leave it in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions about the Brinks set here specifically, and where you'd like to see me go with it next. Have a great year, guys. Thanks.